Good evening, everybody. This is Lloyd Craft, and well, thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel. But I'm here to answer this one question: is Power Lead System a scam? Again, is Power Lead System a scam? And I can tell you, without a doubt, that Power Lead System is not a scam. Um, I've been with Power Lead System end of February, so a little over close to 3 months, almost 90 days. And I have been successful with the system out the gate. So you may be considering Power Lead System. I'm gonna give you a little background, show you, what I have accomplished with the system up to this point. And by no means am I any, guru or anything like this. I'm just like you. I work a full-time 9 to 5. I'm a father. I'm a busy individual. But the training and the tools that I've found with this system has made it very easy for me to market my business, gain additional stream of income, and help my team as well. So Power Lead System has been around for a while. I was shocked that I had never heard of it. But since I think 2013, under the title of Power Lead System. Um, and basically what it is a marketing system, a tool suite, and training, so to help any business owner, any network marketer, affiliate marketer, internet marketer, any brick and mortar business owner, to take their business online and to do it in such a way where they're gathering leads, targeted leads for their business, and shows you how to convert those leads to potential business partners or customers. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna go to my email. Okay, and this is where all your leads come in under this prices possibilities, and you can see the dates here, and these are the leads. 93, just a lot of leads. You can see them all here, right? And then you see these where it says gold member. Those are leads that came through my funnel. What my funnel is a landing capture page, sales page, and email follow-up. So they landed on my capture page, put their email in, saw the presentation, liked what they saw, and signed up immediately. So a gold member uh, is a customer and an affiliate, and I get a $20 monthly residual off every one of them. Let's go ahead and separate it to just the gold members. And look at, since, like I said, since um, late February is when I started. I got my first one on March 2nd, and have been consistently getting sign-ups since then. So the system works. It's easily duplicatable, and these are, for every one of these gold members, that's $20 residual income coming into me. Let's see, go to my back office, and they have all this training. You get all this training. And they do have 2 upgrades. They have now it's 3. As of Monday, there's 3 upgrades. You have the diamond level, the platinum level, and the master is what is it called? Let me go here. Master Traffic Institute. But this will give you $1,000 commissions. Social Profit Academy, which is platinum, $400 commissions, $100 commissions, and then gold gives you your $20 commissions. So, these upgrades are one time. You pay $147 for the diamond, and that opens you up to receive $100 commissions for those who choose to upgrade as well that are under you. Social Profit Academy costs you $497 one time, and that opens you up for $400 commissions for those who upgrade up on you as well. So that being said, guys, I'm not going to keep you here too long. Power lead system by no means is a scam. It's a awesome opportunity, and I think it's a necessary system for anybody that's trying to grow their business online. And I have links in the bottom if you want to sign up. Let me show you this too. So if you sign up with us, you'll be a part of our team, which is called the Freedom Takers. I'm gonna pull up Facebook on another one. So our group, everybody's having success in this group. I'm just show you, and I'll add you to this group if you sign up with us. I'll sign up with me, but people are getting gold members daily following our system. People are getting leads daily. People are having those under them to upgrade. So those are, like I said, $100 and $400 commissions. And like I said, we have the high-end product now that'll open you up for $1,000 commissions as well. It's the same process, just more income. Okay. So with that, you all have a good evening. Click on the link below if you want to connect with me. All my information. Send me a text message, send me an email. I'll answer any questions that you may have. You all have a good evening.